Hi, I'm Bob. We have discussed the firm's production cost in the past several videos. The firm also cares about how much it can sell at a given price in the market and its revenue. The amount of products the firm sells depends on the market demand of consumers and the firm's beliefs about how the other firms in the market will behave. The behavior of firms depends on the market structure. That is, the number of firms in the market, how easy firms can enter and leave the market, and the ability of firms to differentiate their products from those of their rivals. The first market structure we will look at is the perfect competition. Perfect competition is a market structure in which buyers and sellers are price takers. In other words, neither firms nor consumers can sell or buy except at the market price. A perfectly competitive market has three characteristics. First, there are many buyers and sellers in the market. Second, the goods offered by the various sellers are identical. Third, firms can freely enter or exit the market. In addition to these three conditions, another two conditions are also sought to characterize a perfectly competitive market. All market participants have full information about price and product characteristics, and transaction costs are negligible. A price taker means the firm cannot significantly affect the market price of the product it sells. By contrast, a price maker can influence the market price. A price maker's choice of quantity of supply determines the market price of the product it sells. Why the perfectly competitive firms are price takers and have to sell their products at the market price? Because they face a horizontal demand curve. They face a demand curve that is horizontal at the market price. In video number 22 about the shapes of the demand curve, we have learned that the firm can sell as much as it wants at that price, so it has no incentive to lower its price. The firm cannot raise its price either. A horizontal demand implies that consumers are extremely sensitive to price changes. The consumer's demand is perfectly price elastic, and a little increase in the price will lose all the firm's sales. Let's use the ice cream firm as an example. Suppose there were a lot of ice cream firms in the local market. They sell the same ice cream cones. Consumers cannot tell the difference between ice cream cones from different sellers. If the consumers also have full information and know the prices charged by different firms, it is difficult for a single ice cream firm to raise its price above the going price charged by other firms. If it tries to do so, consumers would buy identical ice cream from other firms. It is especially true when the transaction costs for the consumers to buy from other suppliers are negligible. Finally, if firms can easily enter and exit the market, then the existing ice cream firms could not raise the price. Suppose an ice cream firm can set a higher price and increase its profit. The higher profit encourages other firms to enter the ice cream market until the price is driven back to the original level. All the above factors define a perfectly competitive ice cream market. By contrast, if there's only one ice cream firm in the local market, then it can increase the ice cream's price without losing substantial sales, because consumers are not likely to buy ice cream from other firms, or the cost of traveling to another city to buy ice cream is too high. Or if there is an ice cream firm that sells an ice cream cone that is much better than the others in the market, then it could also set a higher price. Or the barrier to entry is quite high. Some complicated technology or skills are needed, or the government limits the number of suppliers, then the market is not a perfectly competitive one. In reality, we can find perfectly competitive markets, such as the agriculture products market. For potatoes and bananas, many sellers or suppliers that consumers can choose from, and they are basically the same products to consumers like me. Another competitive market will be the car wash service. No advanced skills are required. People can start providing car wash service with some labor, some machines, and some space. The service is identical, so we see that the price in the local market is very similar. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.